Dive watches under $100 offer a compelling mix of reliability, legibility, and rugged design without the premium price tag. For this comparison, I tested 5 entries spanning Casio, 80ID's Dive, Invicta, and Northedge to evaluate build quality, water resistance claims, movement accuracy, legibility under load, and everyday wearability.
List number 1. Adi's Dive 41mm Dive Watch Quartz Movement Watches for Men. Easy to read dial. The Adi's Dive 41mm Dive Watch uses a Japanese Miyota 2115 quartz movement, a 41mm stainless-looking case with a 13mm thickness, and a 20mm lug width. It features a convex mineral crystal and a 200-meter water resistance rating, with a bold gradient dial, orange, red, green, black options, and luminous hands for underwater visibility. At $59.99, it sits comfortably in the budget to mid-range tier, with a clearly sport-focused design and a 20-bar, 200 meters rating that exceeds typical recreational dive requirements. Prospective buyers should note the quartz reliability and the gradient dial that improves legibility at a glance. Cons include limited brand recognition compared to Casio and Invicta, and the resin-like case material may feel less premium than full stainless steel options. Performance-wise, the Miyota 2115 provides dependable timekeeping with low maintenance. The 200-meter WR rating supports snorkeling and recreational diving. However, real-world diving comfort depends on the crown seal and bezel integrity. The watch is built as versatile for couples and various occasions, and the 41mm diameter offers a balanced presence on most wrist sizes. The mineral crystal is more prone to micro-scratches than sapphire, but it remains acceptable at this price point. The strap bracelet interface and lug width also affect swappability and comfort during extended wear.
List number 2. Casio MDV 106 series unisex analog watch. The Casio MDV 106-1A is a value-focused dive watch with a 44mm stainless steel case, unidirectional bezel, resin band, and 200-meter water resistance. It uses a Japanese quartz movement and features a day-date display with a screw-down crown and case back. At $72.23, it sits as a robust, go-to dive watch that leverages Casio's reliability and mass-market serviceability. Pros include accurate timekeeping, strong legibility, and a well-proportioned case. Cons center on the large 44mm diameter being potentially oversized for smaller wrists, and the resin band may wear quickly with heavy use. In practice, the MDV 106 performs well as a daily beater that doubles as a dependable dive companion. The 200-meter WR aligns with many recreational dive requirements, and the stainless steel case with a unidirectional bezel provides the expected tool watch experience. The dial is legible with contrasting indices, and the luminescent hands benefit from Casio's lume application. However, the watch's relatively plain aesthetics and bulkier footprint may deter users seeking a more refined look or a lighter, more compact alternative.
List number 3. Casio MRW 200H series unisex analog watch. The Casio MRW 200H-1 BCF offers a 43mm round case, 100-meter water resistance, mineral crystal, and a day-date function with a unidirectional bezel. It's the most affordable option in this lineup at $29.92. The MRW 200H emphasizes readability and practicality for casual wear and basic water activities with a resin case and strap that keep costs down. Pros include an extremely accessible price point, day-date functionality, and a lightweight feel. Cons include weaker water resistance for serious diving, and the resin construction may compromise long-term durability in rugged conditions. Performance-wise, the MRW 200H is best viewed as an everyday watch with splash resistance and basic diving features. The 100-meter WR is adequate for swimming and snorkeling, but not for serious deep water diving. The lume performance is modest, and the mineral crystal offers limited scratch resistance. The 22.5mm strap width helps with comfort, but there's limited premium material choice, which can impact perceived value at this price.
List number 4. Invicta Men's Pro Diver Quartz Watch. Invicta 30023 Pro Diver is a popular budget-friendly diver with a 43mm stainless steel case, two-tone bracelet, and a 100-meter water resistance. It uses a quartz movement and a flame fusion crystal, which is a proprietary casemate style enhancement that aims to resist impacts better than standard mineral. At $59.89, this model leans on Invicta's mass market appeal, offering a familiar diver aesthetic with a robust-looking build. Pros include a solid steel construction, bold dial and bezel for legibility, and a widely available aftermarket support ecosystem. Cons include the 100-meter WR being borderline for more serious diving and the two-tone bracelet showing wear over time. Functionally, the Pro Diver matches many expectations: a reliable quartz engine, a unidirectional bezel, and a substantial wrist presence. The fold-over clasp with safety is convenient, and the water resistance rating suits most recreational divers who stay shallow. The two-tone steel design is fashionable but can look dated. Users who prefer a quieter, monochrome style may not appreciate the aesthetic. Overall, it's an excellent value for money option for those who want a recognizable diver look without premium pricing.
List number 5. North Edge Solar-Powered Dive Watch Women Men's Watch. The North Edge Triton is a solar-powered dive watch rated to 300 meters or 1,000 feet with a luminous dial, silicone strap, and a modern angular case design. At $84.91, it sits at the premium end of this under $100 cohort, leveraging solar charging to reduce battery maintenance. The 300-meter WR rating makes it a more capable diver in theory, and the silicone strap adds comfort for long wear. Pros include solar-powered quartz reliability, high water resistance, and strong lume. Cons involve potential solar charging exposure concerns in low-light environments and the need for occasional charging exposure to maintain accuracy. In use, the solar-powered movement reduces the need for battery changes, which is a practical advantage for watch enthusiasts who want long-term reliability. The 300-meter WR rating provides confidence for deeper water activities, and the luminous dial improves legibility in low light conditions. The silicone strap offers comfort and flexibility, but it may not have the same premium feel as a stainless steel bracelet. If you want a high-resilience dive watch with minimal maintenance and a modern aesthetic, this North Edge is a strong contender.